Crash Course on Marketing Strategy and Management. Introduction. Marketing strategy and management play a crucial role in the success of any business. It involves understanding consumer behavior, identifying target markets, and developing effective strategies to promote products or services. In this crash course, we will explore the key concepts of marketing strategy and management, share interesting stories and examples, and discuss the top 12 marketing strategies that have made a significant impact on businesses. Section 1. Understanding Marketing Strategy. Definition of marketing strategy. Marketing strategy refers to a company's overall plan for reaching its target market and achieving its marketing objectives. It involves identifying customer needs, analyzing the competition, and positioning the product or service in a way that creates a competitive advantage. Consumer behavior. Understanding consumer behavior is essential for developing effective marketing strategies. By studying how consumers make decisions, what influences their choices, and their preferences, businesses can tailor their marketing efforts to meet their target audience's needs and wants. Market segmentation. Market segmentation involves dividing the target market into distinct groups based on specific characteristics such as demographics, psychographics, or behavior. This allows businesses to customize their marketing strategies and messages to effectively reach each segment. Section 2. Developing marketing strategies. Product development. Developing a strong product or service that meets customer needs is the foundation of any successful marketing strategy. This includes conducting market research, identifying product features, and creating a unique value proposition. Pricing strategy. Pricing plays a crucial role in attracting customers and positioning a product or service in the market. Businesses must consider factors such as production costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value to determine the optimal pricing strategy. Promotion and advertising. Promotion and advertising involve creating awareness and generating demand for a product or service. Effective promotional strategies include advertising, public relations, sales promotions, and social media marketing. Section 3. Managing marketing campaigns. Brand management. Building and managing a strong brand is essential for long-term success. This includes establishing brand identity, positioning, and consistently delivering a superior customer experience. Digital marketing. In today's digital age, businesses must utilize various online channels such as websites, social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, to reach and engage with their target audience effectively. Marketing analytics. Using data and analytics to measure and analyze marketing performance is crucial for making informed decisions. This includes tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, conducting market research, and utilizing customer feedback to optimize marketing strategies. Section 4. Top 12 Marketing Strategies and Examples. 1. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable content to attract and engage customers, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics. 2. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers to promote products or services to their large and engaged audiences. 3. Social media marketing, leveraging social media platforms to build brand awareness, engage with customers, and drive website traffic. 4. Guerrilla marketing, using unconventional and creative marketing tactics to generate buzz and attract attention. 5. Relationship marketing, focusing on building long-term relationships with customers through personalized experiences and exceptional customer service. 6. Experiential marketing, creating memorable and immersive brand experiences to connect with customers on an emotional level. 7. Viral marketing, designing marketing campaigns or content that spreads rapidly and organically through social sharing. 8. Cause marketing, partnering with nonprofit organizations or supporting social causes to create a positive brand image and contribute to society. 9. Segmentation and targeting, identifying specific customer segments and tailoring marketing messages and offers to each group. 10. Product differentiation, highlighting unique features or benefits of a product or service to differentiate it from competitors. 11. Cross-selling and upselling, offering additional products or upgrades. 12. Integrated marketing communications, ensuring consistency and synergy across all marketing channels and messages to deliver a cohesive brand experience. Section 5, Summary. In this crash course on marketing strategy and management, we explored the key concepts and techniques that are essential for businesses to succeed in the competitive marketplace. We discussed the importance of understanding consumer behavior, developing effective marketing strategies, and managing marketing campaigns. Additionally, we listed and described the top 12 marketing strategies that have proven to be successful in various industries. Marketing strategy and management require a deep understanding of customer needs, market dynamics, and effective communication. By employing the right strategies and staying attuned to market trends, businesses can create a strong brand presence, engage their target audience, and drive sustainable growth. In conclusion, marketing strategy and management are vital components of any successful business. The ability to effectively communicate with customers, develop innovative strategies, and adapt to changing market conditions can make a significant impact on a company's bottom line. By continuously refining marketing efforts and embracing new techniques, businesses can stay ahead of the competition and thrive in the dynamic world of marketing. Poem: The Art of Marketing. In the realm of business, where dreams take flight, lies the art of marketing, shining so bright. Understanding consumers, their hopes and desires. Crafting strategies that fuel business fires. Consumer behavior, a puzzle to explore. Uncovering insights that lie at its core. Segmenting the market, finding niches so fine. Tailoring messages to captivate and shine. Product development, a journey profound. Creating offerings that astound. Pricing strategies, a delicate dance. Balancing value and finance. Promotion and advertising, a vibrant display. Spreading the word in an impactful way. Building brands with love and care. Crafting experiences beyond compare. Digital realms, where possibilities bloom. Harnessing the power to banish all gloom. Analytics and data, guiding our way. Unveiling the path to a brighter day. Content marketing, a storytelling delight. Connecting with hearts, igniting the light. Influencers rising, with voices so strong. Spreading the message, where they belong. Guerrilla tactics, surprises unfold. Breaking the mold, leaving stories untold. Relationships forged, like diamonds so rare. Nurtured with passion, showing we care. Experiences immersive, memories to treasure. Creating connections, beyond any measure. Viral wonders, spreading like fire. Igniting the world with a burning desire. Cause marketing, a purposeful quest. Making a difference, doing our best. Segmentation and targeting, precision and aim. Reaching the right customers, igniting the flame. Product differentiation, standing tall. Unique features shining above all. Cross-selling and upselling, opportunities untold. Unlocking the potential, a future to behold. Integrated communications, a symphony divine. Harmonizing messages, creating a sign. In the art of marketing, we find our way. Guided by passion, each and every day. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.